Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable gaming mode in Windows 11. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you're using Windows 11 and I want to enable your gaming mode, so let's see how can do that. So the very first thing you just have to open your Windows and just tap on this Windows button here. Or you can also press your Window button from your keyboard and you just have to simply search for settings. Just open your Windows settings. And in settings, just select gaming option from here. Just select gaming and then select game bar. You just have to make sure that you have enabled these toggles to access your gaming mode. Once I've enabled, just go back. You can also go to your game mode and you have to make sure that your game mode has been enabled. Once you have done, just go back. Now whenever you're playing any game, you just have to press Windows plus G button. Press and hold Windows, then tap or plus G to access gaming mode. So once you have access, you can easily check everything you have in your gaming mode. You can open your camera, you can access your microphone from here. You can see your performance, your PC performance over here. Here's the CPU performance, your GPU performance, your VRAM, RAM. You can also see your FPS from here. You just have to launch a game to get FPS info. You can also get your Xbox yourself. Here you can see your time, date, you can enable or disable your click settings. You can do more settings. You can also enable or you can edit your shortcuts. You can control all over your PC settings during a game. So if you want to enable or disable any setting, like your network, if you want to change your network during a gameplay, you're playing a game, you don't want to exit your game, but you want to switch your network, so you can also switch network from this panel. So once you have done, if you want to close this, so you can also close any single tab by tapping on the cross option here, or you can also tap on the empty place and your gaming mode will be disabled or will be hidden. So in this way, you can easily access gaming mode on your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.